viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shushmita and you are watching Mrs. Ouch. So if you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and before you get started with the video, also like this video. So today in this video, I'll be using all new products which I purchased recently. Few are from Nykaa. We all know that ELF has got launched in India, and I have bought 2 or 3 products. So I have bought all total 3 products from ELF. And I have purchased few brushes and a liquid highlighter from PAC Cosmetics. So I'll be using all these products today in this video to create this makeup right here. So if you want to know how I create this look, then please continue watching the video. So guys, the first thing which we will do is we will prep our face. Prepping our skincare is very important before makeup. So first of all, I'll be using this Smashbox Primer Water. And I'll spray it all over my face. Then I'll tap it. And for moisturizer, I'll be using this one. This is Bioderma's Atoderm Moisturizer. So I'll take a very small amount, and so you can see the amount. I love this moisturizer because this heavily moisturizes my dry skin and acts as a very good base for makeup. And now I'll apply some primer, and for that I'll be using this one. This is Bioderma's Sodium Pore Refiner. This also looks like the moisturizer. And I'll apply on the areas where I have open pores or I'll face more oil secretion. So guys, I'm done with prepping my skin. Now the first step for my makeup will be color correcting. So I'll be color correcting the spots or the dark circles of my face. So for that I'll be using this one. This is Palladio's Peach Tea Corrector or Full Coverage Concealer, and I'll be applying it on the areas where I have dark circles or spots. Now to blend this, I'll be using the new brush which I purchased from PAC, and that is this one. This is their concealer brush, and this is in the number PAC 219. So I'll try to put the purchase link of all the products I'll be using today in this video in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. So guys, as you can see that I've already color corrected my face. Now I'll be applying a concealer on top of this. The concealer I'm using today is this one. So this is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'll be putting the shade Caramel on my face. So this has got a very strong yellow undertone, so this will help to brighten up my skin tone. And guys, to apply this concealer, I'm using the same concealer brush by PAC. So guys, before I go with the foundation, I want to apply a liquid highlighter on my face because I really want a very dewy and very glossy makeup base. And since I have a new highlighter to test out, so I'll be applying it. Now this is the highlighter I am talking about. This is PAC Liquid Glow Highlighter, and this is in the shade Silver Lining. So when I checked this highlighter on their website, I found it quite similar to the MAC Stroke Glow, but unfortunately MAC is MAC and this is something completely different. Like as you can see guys, that here you can actually see the product. This looks similar to MAC Stroke Glow, but when I tested it out, like I'll show you. So when you apply the product, it turns completely golden, which doesn't happen with the MAC Stroke Glow. And you can see the glitter particles or shimmer particles on it. But I'll still use it because I really want a very dewy, glossy makeup base. So what I'll do is, I'll take very small amount on the same concealer brush and I'll apply it all over my face. So guys, now my face might look very patchy, but once I do my foundation, it will look overall good. So the foundation I'm using today is by ELF, and this is the foundation. This is their satin finish foundation. I'm in the shade 450 caramel, and this has got neutral undertone. So the undertone is also mentioned on this. I absolutely love the packaging because you can see how sleek it is, first of all, and secondly, since this is made out of glass, a frosted glass, it looks very classy and very high end. And apart from that, I also love this pump packaging. So yeah, you can make out that I'm in love with the packaging. Now let's test out this. But truly to speak, I really found this a very good match for my skin tone. So what I'll do is, I'll take 2 pumps of the foundation on the back of my hand. I'm taking the same concealer brush, I'll spread it on my face. So though it is a medium coverage foundation, I feel that you can easily build up the. Now the sponge I'll be using today is also by e.l.f. So this is the Total Face Sponge. So the shape is like, one side it has got this very sharp base, and on the other side it has got this teardrop shape. So I'll be using this blender to blend my foundation. So let's see. Okay, so the foundation dries up a bit quickly. So guys, you can see that the foundation got seamlessly blended, and I think this sponge is really very good. This is very soft, very squishy, and once you wet the sponge, this doubles up the size, just like the way I love. So this is latex free, which is also a very good thing. So yeah, this is it. So now I'll just quickly highlight my face using a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So I'm using a Wet n Wild concealer. They are photo focus concealer, and this is in the shade medium. Now guys, what I'll do is I'll use the concealer brush to blend one side of my face, and I'll use the sponge to blend the other side of my face. So guys, if you follow me for a very long time, you know that I'm a blender person and not a brush person. So let's switch back to makeup sponge. So guys, I'm done with the whole blending thing. Now I'll just quickly set my face with some loose powder. So before the water dries up, I'll just quickly do my eyebrows off. So guys, I have already completed my eyebrows. Now let's do the contouring, blush and highlighting, and for that I'm using this palette. This is Sugar's Contour de Force palette, and this is in the number 02 Vivid Victory. So this comes with this 3 thing. I think all of you know that this contains a contour, a highlighter and a blush. So I'll just quickly use all of these 3 shades from the palette, and I don't know why, but I think the camera is picking up the highlighter in a very exaggerated way, but when I see it in the mirror, it looks very normal. So I'll just quickly again apply on some primer water on my face. And I'll just let it settle down. Now for eyeshadow, today I'll be using this palette. So this is Makeup Revolution's Bright Express Micellar palette. Now these are cream base, like face paint bases. And from there I'll be using this blue shade as the base of my eyeshadow. So this has got a consistency of lipstick. Not very creamy, not very dry, but something similar to lipsticks. So I've taken it on the brush. small amount on both the lids. Now again taking the concealer brush, I'll quickly blend this. Now guys, for eyeshadow I'm using this palette. This is Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette in 04. So guys, I bought this palette a very long time back from a local store. And what I'll do is I'll use these two shades, this black shade and this blue shade. So first of all, I'll pack on some black shade, and on top of that I'll layer up with this blue shimmery shade. For packing on the black shade, I'll be using this brush. This is PAC's eyeshadow. So this is PAC eyeshadow brush, and this is in the number 345. I have bought this very recently. So I'll take a very small amount of the black shade, I'll tap on the excess, and I'll just simply pack it on the lids. So guys, you can see that I'm tapping and spreading the shadow and not like swiping. And now taking the contour shade from this sugar palette, I'll blend the crease. So yes guys, I'm done. Now I'll use my fingers to apply that blue shimmery shade. This is very pigmented. So guys, you can see the shadow. This is very pigmented. So when you want to pack on some more shadow, tap it. And if you want to blend it and want to mute it, swipe it. Guys, I also have an eyeliner brush with me, which is this one. So this is in the number PAC 076, but I'll not be using this brush today. So maybe in my next tutorial I'll use this brush and I'll show you. So now I'll just quickly do my rest of the eye makeup and I'll just come back. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my eyes. Now I will do my lips, and for that I'll be wearing this. This is e.l.f.'s Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Paraline. So let's just wear it without any lipstick. Such a beautiful shade. So guys, this has a very slight tingling sensation as this works for plumping your lips, but I don't know if this plumps or not, because I have also tried the NYX plumping lip gloss, but that didn't work for me. It just acts as a lip gloss, normal lip gloss. So I think this will be as similar as that, but the shade is very pretty, very pretty. So yes guys, I have made a very sleek bun with my hair, and yes, this is it. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and hope it was helpful for you. And yes, if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment below and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. So stay happy, stay blessed and stay